Hello wood turners and makers, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Right, this video isn't a project, I'm afraid, but it is a review on my new lathe that I've been frantically saving for 12 months. Once I got to the figure I needed to buy a lathe, it was just a matter then of searching around and looking at the right lathe to fit my needs as a new wood turner. And I spoke with Simon Alp, and we had a look at this the new Stratos midi pro lathe, and yes, I fell straight in love with it, and I knew that was the lathe for me. So without further ado, we'll go and have a look at the new Stratos midi pro lathe. So I'll see you at the lathe. Okay then, this is the midi pro lathe. The reason why I went for this lathe now is obviously it's a 1 horsepower motor on it, and it comes with a free belt ratio, whatever you want to call it, so you can change the belt to 3 settings, and the 3 settings on it is the L is 60 to 1000, the M is 150 to 1900, and then the fast is 3050 up to 3700. Now the way that if you want to change the belt settings on it is you undo this little screw here, and then you can lift up the cover like so, and them are your belts. I'll zoom you in a bit closer so you can have a look at that. Right, hopefully you can see that okay. Right, these are your 3 belts on it, yeah. So we'll make sure that the lathe is switched off before you start putting your hands in, because you might knock the switch on it. So, and the way that goes is there's a little, as you can see there, little bolt or whatever, and then that goes across, and you'll be able to pull that in, the belt comes in, and then you'll be able to change the belt to whatever settings, and all you do is push it back out and lock that, and then it is set on whatever torque or speed you want your lathe to get. So I'm going to actually leave it on the middle setting, which gives me the 150 up to 1900 RPM. So that goes back down. Just get that out like so, and you just fasten that back down, and there you go. Right, it also comes with, let me get you around so you can see, that's it, an indexing system on it, which then you get your little pin which goes into that hole there, turn it, and that is your indexing. Yeah, it goes up from 1, and it's got from 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21 back to 1. So that's for obviously when you want to carve or do any colouring with it. It comes with a magnet on it which can clip onto the housing. Zoom you back out. I'm also trying this new camera that I've got. It's the Panasonic. I'll leave the details up there, the exact full details of this camera. It's just another camera that I am trying out, see what it's like. So that's the indexing. That is one of the features on this lathe that I do like. It also comes with a bar that goes into your headstock like that and locks it off. Let's zoom it in so make sure you can see it. Yeah. So there it is, you just put it in and it locks it off so you can get your chuck on and off. It comes with a M33, so all the new and modern chucks of today do fit. Well fitted, and also that comes with a magnet and goes onto the housing. Yeah, onto the housing. Right, so while we're on it, right, it's also with here, you undo this little nut here, you got a bar here which you knock out and you can move it up and down. You can also, you pull that out, once you undo it, pull that out and you can turn it. So then you can do bowls or all the forms, whatever, and be comfortable. That is another reason that made me go for this lathe, because of that feature. It will go right round. Yeah. And back to its setting. And all you do is rock it back, push that down, and it's secure again. Right, the Morse taper on it, it is an M2, it's the M2, which is quite a good FD strength on it, so you know, I'm quite pleased with that. So, and also it comes with a double Morse taper, so just in case you need a calcium over, once you've moved your head then you can put that in, undo that, wind that in to line it all up so you know that it's centre. Oh, that is that. That's what you get as well. You also get a little faceplate with two little good screws, because it also has forward and reverse. Now I'll show you the lathe running on the Miggle setting. So you switch it on and it doesn't engage until, oh sorry, hold on, switch it on. Right, let's start again. So doesn't engage until you switch that on. That's in forward mode. As you can see, it's nice and quiet. And that goes up to 1957. And you can turn it right down, as you can see. And then obviously reverse as well. This also is magnetic, so you can move it anywhere you like round the lathe. So if you're turning here, you can have it right by you. That is another reason why I like it. So right, we've gone through that. The banjo is a really impressive, good, strong banjo. The tool rest is, I believe, 10 inches, and it's a 1 inch post on it. It's in there. Yeah, so that's quite a bit impressive thing. So right, we'll go on to this now. Same with this, it is a 2 Morse taper, and this is what comes with it, which will go in. Also, that is self-ejecting, and it's got an impressive travel on it, as you can see. That's what I liked about it as well. It is numbered as well, so it's got a really impressive length on it, which if I put it into inches, it goes nearly 4.5 inches out. So that's that. And it does, like I say, self-eject as soon as you come back. Like I said, it does come with an extension. You can also buy an outrigger here for your banjo. And what I liked about it as well, with that little gap there, if you can see it, that little gap there is, if you've got a piece on and you come to sanding it down, and you, instead of getting your towel stock out the way, you can grab the banjo, put it across, and it'll just slide out. And it's anyway, it's really heavy. So that just goes back in to like so, and slides around. That's another feature I did like about it. But you can buy an extra extension bed to go on here, so you can bring this, your headstock, bring it round to here and turn on it. So that is another feature that comes with it. So yes, that is the reason that made me go for this lathe. It's the reverse on it, forward and reverse, the different speed levels you can go on it. It's a big, you know, it's a really beefy machine for a midi lathe. So yes, hopefully this will cheer me up a bit and get me back into me wood turning, and I hope I've reviewed it good enough for you. And I can't think of anything else that I have missed. So with any luck, I can start getting back to doing some turning in the workshop on this lathe. So it's but like I said, that was one of the things that I do like when you switch it on. Look, it doesn't boom straight on straight away. You can keep it nice and low for sanding, and it's quite a nice quiet machine. So stop, press the button. So there you are, the Stratos Midi Pro lathe from Simon Up. So I hope you can see what made me buy this, and I hope I've explained it enough. If not, go to Oliver's wood turning, I believe he goes into a bit better detail on this machine. So So, till the next time guys, I think the next video we'll put a piece of wood on here and do some turning. Till the next time, bye now.